Hey Mobile Legends! Welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, make sure to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell so you never miss the latest mobile game, tips, tricks, and secret methods. Today, I've got a super handy hack method to share. A no-fuss way to score unlimited gems in Gold and Goblins without needing a PC, no sketchy software, and absolutely zero rooting or jailbreaking. I gave it a shot myself, and the resources showed up in my game almost instantly. I'll walk you through each step. It's super easy, so let's get into it. Alright, first thing you need is your player ID from Gold and Goblins. This is really important, so don't skip this part. Open the game, tap on your profile section, and you'll see your unique ID. It's a combo of letters and numbers. Just write it down, or take a screenshot so you don't lose it. Got it? Nice. Moving on. Next, open up your mobile browser, Chrome, Safari, whatever you use, and go to the site I'm using today. They've got all kinds of tools and tweaks for the biggest mobile games. Just search for Gold and Goblins on the site, then click their start through to the generator page. Simple stuff so far, right? Now, on the generator page, you'll see a quick little form. Pick your platform, iOS or Android, and paste that player ID you just copied earlier. Double check that everything's correct, and then hit connect. The tool will sync up with your account. Give it a few seconds. It's usually pretty quick. And don't worry, the site uses encrypted connections and proxies to keep everything secure. Once you're connected, you'll see options for how much resources you want to add. Pick the amount that works for you, then press generate button. You can always come back later if you need more, no limits. Now the backend starts doing its thing. Connecting to game servers, scrambling data, running through proxies, all the behind the scenes tech stuff. Just wait a minute or two for it to wrap up. We're almost there. Before the resources hit your account, there's a quick verification step. This keeps the tool from getting spammed or abused by bots. It's easy, usually just requires downloading and opening a free app from official app store. Sometimes you just need to complete some simple task into the app. They've even got walkthrough videos if you need a hand. Once you finish that, you're good to go. And that's it. Your gems should be showing up in your account. I've already done this myself, so I'm not going to run through it again, but check out my resource. No more endless grinding or wasting real money. Now I can just chill and enjoy the game. And there you go, the full walkthrough on how to get unlimited gems in Gold and Goblins. If this helped you out, give the video a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Stuck somewhere? Drop a comment down below. I check regularly and I'll do my best to help out. Don't forget to hit subscribe and turn on notifications so you don't miss my next trick or game guide. Thanks for watching. Have fun out there, and I'll catch you in the next one.